Hey, this is Nathan Robinson at the Winchester Ammunition booth at 22 SHOT Show, and I got a whole lineup of cool new products I want to share with you real quick. First of all is the Defender Close Range. This is an addition to our Defender line that's designed specifically for in-home personal defense situations. It's a lead 2-shot that's plated with copper, and what that provides for you is a lot of projectiles with minimal penetration. You're going to see on average 8 to 12 inches of penetration, no more. Almost all the energy is dumped inside of a standard drywall wall, and so you get great performance at stopping a threat without over penetration issues. Moving to pistol, USA Ready is a great line of personal defense pistol ammo that utilizes something called the hex vent. That's a plastic tip. Hopefully you can see here on this round. And that helps initiate expansion both through just force as objects push up against that plastic tip, but those vents actually allow fluid for hydraulic force to also help with the expansion. So you get reliable expansion regardless of what kind of material you're shooting through. 9mm was introduced last year. Now we also have it available in 10mm for anybody that likes to shoot that. Moving on, this is kind of a cool product. This is called the Stripper Pack, and we've got 3 clips and a loading tool all in one box, so you can get a full magazine out of one box. And this loading tool just makes it a lot easier and faster when you're trying to load up at the range. Rather than having to put rounds in one at a time into the magazine, you just quickly push it through and you get 10 rounds in an instant rather than having to take a long time. So that's a really convenient, fun way to do it. Look for that on shelves here soon. And then moving to hunting, we got a whole bunch of stuff on the hunting side. Probably what I'm most excited about is 6.8 Western. This is a new caliber that we introduced last year, intended for Western big game hunting. So this is the ultimate hunting round, capable of shooting game at very extended distances because it's a very accurate bullet. It's long, sleek construction. It's a heavy weight. You have anywhere between 162 and 170 grains. We've got 5 different products total in the line now, but these are the 2 new ones here. PowerPoint is a lead soft point. That's our traditional old school technology, tried and true, always works, and actually upsets really well at extended ranges. We've done a lot of testing out to 700 yards, and you get consistent upsets on animals. Then on the other side, we've got Copper Impact. The solid copper projectile is really known for its deep penetration. It's highly accurate. It's got a boat tail, and it's got this protected hollow point. Gives you high BCs, really accurate and deep penetrating round for big game like elk or moose. Moving over to waterfowl, we've got 2 cool new products here. First one is Blindside 2. This is a reintroduction of Blindside with a different shot and a different wad. And hopefully you can see in the video here, but we've got the old hex shot here on your right, and you can see that's very cube shaped, and the new hex shot is more rounded. They both have flat faces for a lot of energy transfer, which helps knock birds down faster and you get quicker, cleaner kills. But this is going to be more aerodynamic. So the new shot doesn't require the diamond cut wad that was available in the original Blindside, so it allows us to use our dry lock wad system and get really great waterproofing out of the shell. So when you're dumping it in and out of blind bags or in your pocket of your parka, if it gets damp, you can have assurance in knowing that it's going to continue to work like it's supposed to. And then on this side, we've got Winchester bismuth. This is a 100% bismuth load, and this has really gained popularity. It's been around a long time, the metal and shot shells, and we've kind of gone in and out of new products with bismuth. This one though is different, and it really stands out from other products on the market because of the quality of the bismuth that we use. We start out with a premium product, we tin plate it, and so you get very consistent, round, good quality pellets that result in tighter patterns, but then we also buffer it. And that ends up giving you 50 to 70% better pattern than some of the leading competitors on the market because you don't get fracturing of the pellets on setback. That's a big problem with bismuth. It's a brittle metal, so by putting that tin plating and the buffering in there, it all but eliminates that fracturing. So this is a really exciting product too. I don't know how many of you are target shooters, but we got 20 gauge diamond grade. This is an 8% antimony. It's the highest antimony level and the most premium shot on the market for the tightest patterns and hardest hitting on clay targets. 12 gauge, we've got several SKUs of that available, but 20 gauge is our new one this year. And then one more to end with here. We've got Winchester Active Duty. So buckshot, always popular. It's a great home defense or personal defense round. And here's just a new configuration in our active duty line, kind of paying homage to the fact that we're American made and we're the biggest supplier of the military in the US for their ammunition needs. And so we're just really proud of that and wanted to call it out on the packaging here. So if you want to know more about this lineup, there's a lot of stuff. I didn't even cover it all here, but you can go to winchester.com and learn about all those new products, or you can follow us on Facebook or Instagram and learn more about it there. Hope to see you there.